Another day, another story with Xavier Production. First, please like and subscribe Xavier Production, and don't forget to hit bell icon and share too. In this video I will teach you about Python. Python is a high-level, versatile, and dynamically typed programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has gained immense popularity over the years and is widely used in various fields, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and more. Here's a long overview of Python. 1. Syntax and readability. Python is celebrated for its clean and easily readable syntax. It uses indentation, whitespace, to define code blocks, which enhances code clarity. This design philosophy is often referred to as Pythonic. 2. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means you don't need to compile your code before running it. This makes development faster and more flexible. 3. Dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. The interpreter infers the type of a variable at runtime. 4. Extensive standard library. Python comes with a vast standard library that provides modules and packages for a wide range of tasks, from file I/O and networking to data manipulation and web development. This library reduces the need to write code from scratch. 5. Cross-platform compatibility. Python is available on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a truly cross-platform language. 6. Versatility. Python can be used for a wide array of applications, such as web development, with frameworks like Django and Flask, data analysis, using libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, scientific computing, with SciPy, machine learning, using TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn, and more. 7. Community and ecosystem. Python has a vibrant and active community. This means there are numerous resources available, including documentation, tutorials, and third-party packages. The Python Package Index, PyPI, hosts thousands of libraries and tools created by the community. 8. Object-oriented programming. Python is an object-oriented programming (OOP) language, which allows developers to create reusable and maintainable code by organizing data and functionality into objects. 9. Readable and maintainable code. Python's emphasis on readability and code simplicity makes it an excellent choice for projects with multiple developers or for maintaining legacy code. 10. Easy learning curve. Python is often recommended as a first programming language due to its simplicity and ease of learning. Its clear syntax and high-level abstractions make it accessible to beginners. 11. Strong community support. Python's large and active community means that you can readily find help, share your knowledge, and collaborate with others on open-source projects. 12. Continuous development. Python is continually evolving. New versions bring improvements and new features. However, Python maintains a strong commitment to backward compatibility, so older code usually works with newer versions. 13. Popular Python implementations. The reference implementation of Python is CPython, but there are other implementations like Jython, Python for Java, IronPython, Python for .NET, and PyPy, a fast JIT-compiled implementation. 14. Commercial use. Python is used extensively in industry and is a go-to language for many companies, including Google, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and many others. 15. Open source. Python is open source software, which means it's free to use and distribute. You can also contribute to its development if you wish. In summary, Python is a versatile, user-friendly, and powerful programming language with a vast ecosystem of libraries and tools. Its simplicity, readability, and active community make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers working on a wide range of projects.